You're going to need your pony beads for this project. Red, white, black, and whatever color you're going to use for your skin. I am using silk cord and a key ring, and you'll also need something to secure the project. I usually use tape. Now we're going to take the cord and fold it in half. We're going to make sure that the ends meet at the end so the project comes out proper. So just match the ends at the end and then pull up. At the other end, you're going to make a loop, and then you're going to take your key ring and place the loop inside of the key ring. Next, we're going to take the two strands and put them through the loop and pull tight on the key ring. Next, we're going to secure the key ring with a piece of tape. This will prevent your project from going anywhere. And then we're going to separate our two pieces of cord, and I like to start with the left side. And as I said, you just want to make sure that that keychain is secured down. Now additionally, you can use other cord if you like other cord. For some projects, I have used this cord. It's kind of rubbery, and it is from Hobby Lobby. It is about, I don't know, $2.50 or so for a whole bunch. I'll have to check, but I can also leave a link down below for that. And then you're going to need your pony beads. So for today, we're going to make Santa. So I'm going to use red, white, and then I also have a cream, and you want to have some black pony beads as well. So we're going to start on the left side. So I like to use dark red for Santa's hat. So that's what we're gonna do. So it's always good to get your pony beads put aside so you know exactly what you're gonna need. For the top of the hat, we're gonna use one pony bead. So we're gonna put one white pony bead, and then we're gonna place it on the left side. Then we're gonna take the right side of the cord, and we're gonna place it through the left side. Just like such, and we're gonna grab on to both ends and just pull it up. And I'm gonna move this down so you can actually see what I'm doing, but if you can see, that's what the top looks like. Now, pony bead projects sometimes take a lot of maneuvering of your fingers, placing it exactly where you want it to make it look right. That's totally normal if you have to maneuver it, like I said. So the next row, we're gonna do 2 of the red pony beads. And for each one of these, I'm gonna go ahead and save myself from repeating constantly, but you're gonna have it on your left side, and then you're gonna take the right cord. You're gonna do this for each one. Take the right cord, place the end through the pony beads, and draw it up. So sometimes, it can get lost, but it just work it through, and then you just pull it up, just like the other one. So again, you're gonna do this for each row. So the next row is 3 red pony beads. So again, we're going to place 3. And then we're going to take the right side and put it through. Okay, now we're gonna do 4. I'm gonna try and do a video each day. Some may be a little shorter than others, but I'm gonna try and get it done because I think it's fun. I've always wanted to do some sort of Vlogmas type videos, but I've never been able to. So there's 4. And we're going to take the other side and put it through. I really like these projects. Make great ornaments, backpack clips, any type of little gift. They're easy. I actually like them for anxiety. I think they're, I don't know, I think they're really helpful. So for people that need something to do with their fingers. Okay, so next row we're gonna do 5. Oh. All right, so we have 5 now. And we're gonna do the same thing, just work that cord through. I actually made some of these for Halloween. I put them in a trick-or-treat basket. On my videos, I've made some ghosts and pumpkins, and I actually just put them in the basket with some other bracelets, and some of the kids really liked them. So we are working on Santa's hat here. So next we are going to do a row. So we have 5 here. So we're gonna do a row of 6 white pony beads. Go ahead and add 6 white pony beads here. All right, I'm gonna take that cord and put it through. Okay, now we see that. Just like that. A white. So we're gonna start working downwards now. So we're gonna go in 1. So we did 2, 4, 6 of the white beads. So we're gonna do a white, and then we're gonna do a cream. We're gonna do 5 of the cream. Pony beads are a little slippery at times. We're actually going to do 1 white and 4 cream and 1 white. So again, next row, we're doing 1 white, 4 cream, and 1 white. And then we're going to do what we've done this whole time, putting the other side through. And then just pull up. Now, one thing you're gonna wanna make sure you have is enough string. So for this, I'm going to suggest about 3.5 feet of cord. So I said string, cord, string, whatever you're using. I would recommend about 3.5 feet. So next row, we're gonna do 1 white, 1 cream, 1 black, 1 cream, 1 black, 1 cream, and 1 white. This is actually the next row that we're making the eyes, so then we're going to do our normal procedure of putting it through. Okay, and this forms our eyes. All right, the next row we're going to do 1 white, another white, then we're going to do 2 cream, and 2 white. We're going to take the other side and put it through. Now, if you want to, you can add pink for his cheeks. If not, no big deal. Next, we're going to add 1 white pony bead, 1 pink, 2 white, 1 pink, and 1 white. Next, we're going to add 5 white pony beads. Now we're going to add 4 white pony beads. We're almost done. Finally, we're going to end up with 3 pony beads. So we're going to do 3 white pony beads. Now we're going to take the 2 end strings and we're just going to make sure it's even and not bent, and we're going to make a knot because we are done with this portion. So we're going to make a knot as securely as we can. Go ahead and make a knot. I'm actually making a double knot here. The next step, we're going to take a pair of scissors and we are going to give our project a cut. Cut it down, but not too far down. Don't cut it too close to the knot, but far enough. So just give it a little cut, snip the ends, and then if you use glue, secure those ends. I actually use nail polish. So just apply whatever it is you use at the ends, and that is going to do it. So just make sure, like I said, that it's tight. I'm gonna remove my tape from the key ring, and then I'm gonna show you how my project looks. So just flatten it out with your hands, and there you go. I hope you've enjoyed this project. If you have, please let me know. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below. By the way, if you like this Santa, you may like the snowman. I'll leave the link to this video in the description box below.